Alright, so I just wanted to show you how the doors bifold. So it looks pretty cool from the inside. Like I said, I got one more left to make. There's a vet. So these are see-through right here. And there's my Quincy, big bad boy. And show you the outside again. I'll show you how they bifold. So, kind of hard to show you, but oh, there you go. So they bifold like that. Pretty nifty. Pretty cool. That's how it goes. So, just got to finish that one over here. That's about it. But bifolds out of the way. And then all you do is grab that. And you lock it on the other side. And it's back to being one big door. So just wanted to give you a little bit of heads up what it looked like. Hopefully this weekend I can get that one finished. But thanks for watching the video and liking it, and tell me how good a job I did. I got all kinds of crazy shit in my mind. If I had time to build it all, I would spend the rest of my life just building shits in my head. But all right, have a good night. Thank you.